Hoki mai ki tēnei pāpāhotanga a whakata Māori mo tēnei whakataetae a motu. Ngā kapa huri noa i Aotearoa mo te poi tūkohu. Ke raro i te 18 o ngā tau. Ko te matawa Māui me te aroha i nei kapa e rua. E tākoro ana i tēnei wā. Ko te aroha e mau kikorangi. Hawke's Bay e mau mā. So te aroha were really positioned. Good offensive rebound. And a nice little pass there, but couldn't quite. That play as Hawke's Bay come up with it. And underneath there is Sadler. Puts it up, no good. Still no score. Te aroha. Anderson. Short pass to Karipa. 4 seconds on the clock. 50 Toru. Nothing but net by Karipa or Te Aroha. Hawke's Bay, what's their response going to look like? Edwards passes to the other side of the court. Edwards has a go. He'll shoot from way out and he gets it. Nice response there by Hawke's Bay. Anderson rallying the troops. To the other side of the court now. Bounce pass back to Karipa. Another 3-point attempt. This time he misses. Edwards goes all the way into the lane. Great defence there by Taylor. Hawke's Bay get the ball back for the foul. Look there as well, the pros, something to keep an eye on. He'll come off the pros just to sort out that leg injury. Take the lead. Go down low with the defence, Hawke's Bay, but Te Aroha still retain possession. Ellis back to the top with Anderson. 2 seconds on the clock. And it's been turned over. Bay, fast break, ball shifts it, spin move, nicely done. Goaltending is the call. There's Max Tran. Anderson again, who brings it up for Te Aroha. Karipa, back to Anderson. It's wide open. Beyond the arc, not too much on it, but a foul. This has been blown, the foul's been called. So it'll be 3 shots from the free throw line. No, it's from the baseline, in fact. Wasn't in the act of shooting by the looks of it. Ellis. Back up to Karipa. Down low, good pass. Reverse layup, well stopped by Edwards. The outlet pass. Here comes Hawke's Bay back to Edwards. They're now for 4. Driving, spinning, kicks it out. Edwards, 3-point attempt, no good. Good offensive rebound there by Sadler. Puts it up. Misses and Te Aroha get the ball back. Anderson. Miniti e toi ana I tēnei wāhanga tuatahi o te Camry nei. Nei pāpāhotanga whakata Māori kua whanoko te ko huri te poro kia Hawke's Bay. Edwards has an open look, just short. Hawke's Bay have it. Tran puts a little floater up and it drops. Down low, still there, just for Te Aroha. Ellis, Anderson, back to the side. Karipa, it's been turned over again, Hawke's Bay. So wide open, Max Tran, 4-3, offensive rebound. They'll go again, Hawke's Bay, the little floater is good. Karipa, e kuru whiwhi toru, Kau, ngari kei reira tonu te poro, mō Te Aroha. And an injury concern, replacement will come on, a couple of replacements will come on for Te Aroha. It'll be manager who comes on. Driving into the lane is Anderson. He gets it back, Anderson. Kicks it out. A low pass to Ellis. Ellis. It's a defence on Ellis. Puts it up. But it's turned over. Hawke's Bay. Hit a Hawke's Bay. Oh, rawe. He kuru whakautera. Te matau a Māori. Ellis deflected off the leg, 5 seconds remaining. Anderson, he's put a shot up, it's a long shot, off the rim, into the hands of Hawke's Bay. Edwards kicks it out to Paul, and he's fouled on the way in. So is the second. E mua a Hawke's Bay te kau maurua ki te toru. Misha. Anderson. Back to Anderson. They need to put a shot up. McLaughlin gets it. He kuru whiwhi toru. Now to Ball who responds. Keith Ball. Anderson, back to Anderson. Down low, back to manager. He does well. He puts the 3 up. Too far. Manager tries to steal it back, but Tino Avail. Hawke's Bay. Kuru whiwhi toru. Kaore. Te reira tonu te poro. For Hawke's Bay. E kuru whakau. Engari he hara. A foul. As he was laying it in. So there'll be another 2 shots on the way. Papakura. Najar, their point guard. Long pass, almost going over the top. Was about to recover. Karipa, and inside, driving in. Well done. By Preston Taylor. Safe. From way out. Picked up by Te Aroha, and away they go. And a nice pass on the inside to Blake Ellis, who finishes that fast break. A Hawke's Bay. Kuru whakau. Ki te pākete. For Max Tran tēnā. Aja. Garongi hora kia Taylor. Taylor driving, gets it up, goes back up again. Can't convert. Taylor. Fast break. Hawke's Bay. Kuru whakau anō. Ki sport tēnā. Alice. Short pass. Karipa. Marisha. Good pass. Back to Alice. And offensive rebound still there. Preston. Yes, this time he gets it. Preston Taylor. Corner three is good. Splash. Manager. Long pass. Intercepted. And a mismatch there. Max Tran. The layup. Te Aroha with Manager. Back to Manager. Good footwork. Looking for support. Ba he kuru 50 toru. Tata mutu ai tēnei wahanga tuatahi. Bay, ki wanganui rā, ki raro ihora. I roto I te paita, engari he hara. Range of 10 again, it's deflected off the rim and following up nicely, but it's gone out of bounds. A few seconds remaining left in this first quarter. Karipa. Hoki poro kia Karipa he kuru whiki toru kao kua mahue tēnā. He reira tonu te poro. It's still with Te Aroha. Anderson kicks it out to the corner. Little fake. Wide open shot. It's no good. Ko tērā te mutinga o te wahanga tuatahi. Nei te wahanga tuarua te kēmu nei, ko te aroha. Tēnei e mau ana te pōro. Ke mua, a Hawke's Bay rua te kaumauno, te kaumarima. Engari, kua hikua te pōro, travel has been called. Karipa, Oki kia Karipa, Kiraro Ihora, Anderson, Oki, Kiraro, Preston Taylor. Hawke's Bay tēnei 9-8. Te wahora, just short, te aroha hewa. Just off the foot, so stay with Te Aroha. Check it out. Karipa, nice fake, drives to the basket. Deflects and Taylor gets the extras. Now it's with Smith. He misses. Turned over. Te Aroha have it. It's with Anderson. Nice pass there to the pros. Taylor. Out wide. Just short. Taylor does well to get it back. The reverse layup. Taylor finishes that nicely. Sword into the air, laid it in. There's Hawke's Bay. Get back on the board. And it's Max Tran who will go to the line to add an extra point, potentially. He does. Rua te kau mai iwa ki te rua te kau mātahi. Hawke's Bay, kei runga i tēnei wā. Kiraro Ihora. Te kuru whakau, engari kua ngaro. Kei reira tonu te pōro. Taylor puts his back into it. Out into the corner, driving, back to Taylor. He's well marked, another reverse layup. Taylor is dangerous in the paint. So Hawke's Bay. It's just been deflected out of bounds by the TA player, Te Aroha player. And a timeout's been called. Hawke's Bay, rua te kau mā iwa. Te Aroha, rua te kau mā toru. Bay driving from the corner, baseline, good defence. Te Aroha come up with it, Anderson. Short pass, Karipa. Down low. Driving all the way through the left hand, lays it in. Te Aroha on the comeback. Kuru 50 toru ke te haere ka au with Mahue. Ke reira tonu mo Hawke's Bay. Little floater, no good. Gets the rebound. Kicks it out, but turned over. Good defence. Te Aroha. Karipa. Inside. Running the lane nicely. Puts it up. And it drops. Te Aroha well and truly back in this match. Ko Makaroa, te rātataho te kōti, ki raru iho rangari. Ko ngaro te pōro. They're looking at all the lines on the court there. It's the black line. It's the line for the basketball court. Another timeout has been called. Timatai te kemu anō. Te kuru whiwhi toru. Me reira tonu te pōro mo Hawke's Bay. Tran, putatu ki te kokonga. Ko Edwards tēnā. Edwards me te kuru whiwhi toru. Te Aroha. Karipa. No good. It's Hawke's Bay. Tran with the right hand, it rolls in. Manasha, 5 minutes here, toi ana I tēnei, wahanga tuarua, Karipa. Ki raro iho rā, ka hoki kia Karipa ki runga rā, kei te ora tonu te pōro, Karipa for 3. Bounces out. Hawke's Bay. Hot on the attack again. Oh, a nice block. Te Aroha now in possession. Waiting for support. It's been turned over. A good steal, Hawke's Bay with a long pass. Waiting for his teammates. There's Edwards, kicks it out. 3-point attempt, no good. An easy rebound. Te Aroha. Manasha. To Alice. Down low. Manasha. Nice little floater. Puts it up. Gets it back. Gets a rebound there. Manasha. Back down low. Good vision. Puts it up. Can't quite finish. Engari he hara. First free throw is good. Or McLaughlin. Harry McLaughlin is at the line here. And that's just bounced out. Hawke's Bay. Driving into the paint, getting it. Wall. 2 more points to his name. Manager. Karipa. Out to Alice. Puts it up. Good defence. I've still got it though. Te Aroha hustling hard. Manager. Karipa. It'll be Alice. Unsuccessful. Balls will settle from the sideline as Hawke's Bay. Hekuru Whiwhitoru. Missed. The manager will bring it up for Te Aroha. Karipa. Alice. Back to Karipa. Manager will have a shot at 3. Wow! He nailed it. Manager for 3. Garu ihora. Ko whiwhitera kuru whakau. Ko Edwards tēnā, ka haerea ki te rārangi no te mea he hara. Iaia e kuru whakau ana. That's good. Anderson brings it up. Looking for support. Anderson gets it back. Ellis to Anderson. He'll have a go now from beyond the arc. Good offensive rebound underneath. And that was a clean block. No contact to the body. In the corner there, and Anderson did have a brief look at the basket but decided against it. A little floater is no good, but it's still there for Te Aroha. Taylor in and out, and Hawke's Bay will have it. Whiwhitoru is good. Hawke's Bay extend the lead. Te Aroha in the form of Anderson. Takes it up. Alice down low. Double teamed. Back to Alice. The defence is strong. And that's been turned over. Hawke's Bay on the fast break and off the backboard and dunking to finish that fast break, was Mananes, John Delama Mananes, driving to the basket. It's no good, but there's a foul for Taylor. Go to the line for 2. Good. Hawke's Bay with only a minute left in the second quarter. Pick and roll. out of bounds. There's Mananes. Just come on. Kicks it out. Back to the top. Dixon Bartlett. Got some hops there, but he stopped in his tracks. Nice long ball. And yeah, finished the fast break nicely there. It's the pros for Te Aroha. Mananes. Dixon Bartlett turned over again. And there's a 3-on-1 situation. Karipa still alive, but a foul. So Karipa will go to the line with 7 seconds left on the clock in the second quarter. That one as well. So Hawke's Bay, Papakura whitu Te Aroha, toru tukau whitu, te kuru whiwhi toru kaore. To the corner, turned over again, swatted away. So that'll do it at halftime. It's Hawke's Bay 47, Te Aroha 37. Mai hoki mai ki tēnei hawhe tuarua. Me te timatanga o te wahanga tuatoru o tēnei kemu. Kei mua Hawke's Bay, whātukau mā whitu. Ki te toru tukau mā whitu, karipa. Apo poto tērā kuru, mai wahora. Hawke's Bay from the corner, he kuru, whiwhi toru! That three-pointer. Defence waiting for support, finding it in the form of the pros, the pros. Hawke's Bay jumping, he's driving. Very good, the pros on the fast break. Foul. Rose can't get the second. It's there now for Hawke's Bay. It's with Trent driving it, trying to scoop shot it. It's been turned over. Tauroha, the pros, keeps it alive. Anderson off the glass. Splitting the defenders, Dixon Bartlett kicking it out into the corner, wide open. Kuru whiwhi toru! The pros driving, putting it up. Good rebound there by Taylor. And it's going to be Karipa. You can't leave him open like that. Taiari Karipa has scored multiple three-pointers in this match. And here comes the Kuru whiwhi toru. No. Karipa will get the rebound. He dishes it to Anderson. Anderson has it back, he drives. The little floater's good. Anderson starting to heat up. Paint. Still there. Trent. Oh, turned over. 2 against 1. Nice pass. And back. Oh, big block. Now Hawke's Bay go the other end. Trent passing it. Kicking it out to Edwards. Edwards to Dixon Bartlett. Wide open jumper. And that's off the board. And in. Harlem. Dixon Bartlett. Karipa, number 3. Te Aroha, only 5 points off. Edwards, no good. So Te Aroha now an opportunity to reduce this margin that Hawke's Bay have. It's been stripped. Dixon Bartlett pushes it out. That's no good. Isaiah Anderson. Pros. A lob pass. Nicely done. Taylor. Good assist by the pros. And a timeout's been called. The Hawke's Bay up 55-52, a 3-point game. Ko hoki mai, ngā kapa e rua, mai tērā wā whakatā. The floater, no good. So Te Aroha now, only 3 points behind. A huge comeback. Anderson. Oh, in and out. Edwards now. Kicks it out to Paul. Now it's for Dixon Bartlett. Now back to Paul. Paul puts it up. It's good. Anderson to Karipa. Down low to the Pros. Hand in the cookie jar there, so to speak. By Hayden Hemi. Foul on him. The Hawke's Bay. Te Aroha from the baseline. Back to the top of Taylor. Anderson. As Karipa puts it up, 6 seconds on the clock. Taylor does well, spin move, almost getting to the basket, but he was fouled. Kaharia ki te rarangi piro. Short pass. Little fake. Driving, spinning, driving. Oh, good defense. There's a blue wall in front of him. The Pros right underneath the basket. Oh, was looking to dish it to Taylor, but out of bounds. Hawke's Bay back on the offense. Edwards, good defense here by Te Aroha, 10 seconds on the shot clock. Edwards again, driving. Oh, it's up there and he gets it. It's Keith's ball. Who rose high above. Got the deflection from Edwards' shot. But it'll be Edwards that goes to the line actually. For goes. First one is no good. And the second one is good too. Taroha. 6-point margin at the moment for Hawke's Bay. 4 and a 3 on the way. Oh, Karipa! He's on fire. Taiari Karipa, how many threes is that today? There's still another quarter to go. Rima Takauma waru ki te Rima Takauma Rima. Baseline, driving to the basket, doesn't drop, still there. Good hustle and a foul. So Paul will go to the line. First one is good. Second one doesn't drop, but the offensive rebound's there and Paul follows through. Pass. Back there for Karipa. And up he goes. Good hustle, got it back. But it's been turned over and a foul. Foul on Alice. Three-pointer attempt. There's Taylor. Back up top to Anderson. Kicks it out to Karipa. Anderson. Pops out. Taylor goes back up and foul. Back to Taylor. Taylor, the reverse layup is good, but a travel's been called, so that will not count. Smith bringing it up for Hawke's Bay. Maka, yeah, Edwards, Kahoki, yeah, Smith. Whioi Naione, kia Edwards, ka puta ki te kokonga he kuru whiwhi toru. Timeout scored. Hawke's Bay, ono tukau mā whā te aroha, rima tukau mā rima. Aroha back from the timeout. It's gone out of bounds. Up top with all the time in the world, Hekuru Whiwhitoru Kau. Huri Te Poro. Purse. Takoma whākete rima, Takoma rima. Driving, but there's a foul. 48 seconds left in this third quarter. Driving into the paint. Oh, he gets it in. It doesn't count. Offensive foul. Pass Karipa for three. Another one! He's almost unstoppable beyond the arc. Karipa keeping Te Aroha in this match. As the clock counts down in this third quarter, Te Aroha will be pleased with their efforts. In the third quarter, it's Hawke's Bay that are up. Ono te kaumā whākete, ono te kaumātahi. Ko timatai te wāhanga tua whā, te wāhanga whakamutunga o tēnei kēmu. Ka te aroha te pōro! O, paira watu te timatanga o tēnei wāhanga. Mō te aroha, they're only a point away, te aroha. And the heat has been turned up in this match. And it looks as though there's another turnover. Yes, te aroha have position and an opportunity to perhaps take the lead. Anderson goes right. Taripa back to Anderson. The pros looking down low, finds Taylor. He's well marked. The pros with a little floater. Good offensive rebound. Take your time. He does, and he gets it in. Te Aroha will take the lead. They're up by 1 in the early stages of this final quarter. The corner three is good. Hawke's Bay hits straight back. Anderson. The pros driving. The travel has been called. So Hawke's Bay will have it. They're up by 2. Smith. Crossover. There now for Tran. Tran with a long 3. Doing well to keep it in play. The whistle's been blown. And almost lays it in, but a foul's been called. So it'll be Max Tran to the line for 2 shots. Hawke's Bay already have a 2-point advantage. That's been extended now. They're up by 3. And that's been missed. Te Aroha move from side to side. And driving to the basket is Taylor. Hawke's Bay turned over. Te Aroha have another opportunity. Oh, but it's been turned over. Hawke's Bay have it now, driving to the basket. Max Tran glides. He kuru whakau. The pros. Nice pass. And wide open. Dunking it. Te Aroha down by 1. Hawke's Bay. The former Smith. Driving to the lane. Stepping back. Smith. Nice little dish. Puts it up, doesn't drop, but there's a foul. Hawke's Bay 71, Te Aroha 69. Good. Whetu te kaumārua ki te ono te kaumā iwa. Kia te aroha te poro. Anderson. The pros. Te rataha Matau, Anderson. Pai te arai nei, a Hawke's Bay, Taylor. Kahahuri ia, kei reira tonu te pōro mo te aroha. And they score. The two big men underneath, causing all sorts of problems for the Hawke's Bay defence. Smith gives it the ball, back to Smith, under the basket, kicks it out. How's that? Kuru whiwhi toru! Artie Smith with that well needed three-pointer. Taylor, spin move, still going, dishes it. Now it's with Karipa, almost drops, it's still there for Te Aroha. They're doing well to fight hard for that ball underneath the basket, but the foul's being called. Need to get it in, they need to do it quickly. Oh, it's gone out of bounds. Still Te Aroha ball, luckily for them. Oh, it's been stolen. Tran, a bit of a mismatch here. Tran against manager. Tran, the turnaround jumper, no good. Tran gets it back and he finishes that nicely. Now manager. Gets it out to the pros. 3-point attempt, it's too big. Stripped away, they've still got it. Karipa, no good. But a foul. And it's a foul on one of the Te Aroha players, so Hawke's Bay will have possession. They're pulling away a little bit, Hawke's Bay. They're up by 6. Trent down low. Smith kicks it out to the. Goes over the top. Te Aroha now on the fast break. McLaughlin lost it. Now it's with Tran. And oh, that's missed. Good rebound there by the pros. Kicks it out. Driving, but then that's stripped away. Hawke's Bay will go coast to coast. With Smith, nice pass on the inside, he gets it. Keith's ball. Karipa. 8-point buffer, Hawke's Bay. For Max Tran 10-8. Engari Hihara. We've got a whole bunch of replacements coming on for Te Aroha, some fresh legs. Okay, Hawke's Bay te Poro. Tran tēnei. Kaha Kokori ki te Pākete, engari kua kuru. That jump shot, nicely done there by Tran, extending the lead for Hawke's Bay. Karipa down low. holds on to it nicely. Taylor. Back down to Taylor. Wide open. Too easy for Taylor. Tēnei o Hawke's Bay. E ata haere ana I tēnei wā. I te pau haere te wā, toru miniti e toi ana I tēnei kēmu. Nice play. Good passing, but what a block. Te Aroha have it, but a foul has been called. So it'll still be Te Aroha possession. I don't think we're in the bonus yet, either side. Blake Ellis. To inbound. It's gone out of bounds by Edwards for Hawke's Bay. Ellis. Driving, putting it up, but a steal and a block. A jump ball, whose ball will it be? It'll be Te Aroha ball. Ellis. To Karipa. Still there for Karipa. Anderson. And Ellis, it's a high arcing shot, he gets it. They're still in this, Te Aroha. Trent, gives it to Edwards. Out to Trent again. Drives. Puts the little floater up, the one hander, no good. Way too short. Now, Te Aroha, they need to convert this position into points. Anderson, Ellis with all the time in the world. Nicely picked up there, down low. The two big men again, doing a great amount of work underneath and turns all of that hard effort into points. Dixon Bartlett tēnei. Whakahoki ai te poro. Ball. Kaneke ki te Hamawi. Ball. Ka te ora tonu te poro. Ball. Gets it back by the looks of it. The whistle goes. Jump ball has been called. Only 1 second. Left on the shot clock, so it's shot clock violation. Surely must be the call. But a foul's been called here. And they're in the bonus. So Hawke's Bay up by 3 points. First free throw was good. By Edwards. You're up by 4. Second one is good too. So Hawke's Bay up by 5. 2 minutes remaining. Te Aroha. What have they got up their sleeve now? Anderson. Karepa. Kuru Whiwhitoru. Kyle. Guamahue, but look at that offensive rebound down low. Dallas. It's been stripped from behind, but it will be Te Aroha ball still. Timeout's been called with 1:45 on the clock. Kei runga, Hawke's Bay, waru te kau mā toru, te kau mā waru. Te Aroha. They need points from this possession. Almost stripped away. Ellis. They get it away. Anderson. No good. Another possession, but it's been stripped away and turned over. Hawke's Bay just slowing things down. Trent. Seconds on the shot clock. Checking it out. Therefore, Trent. Kuru Whiwhitoru. Kyle. Rebound secured. Te Aroha. Not quite over yet. Only a 5-point game. Anderson. Pick and roll. That's good. Taylor. Nice little pass. But there's a foul under there. The bonus, so go to the line for 2 shots. Good. Second one just dribbles out. So Hawke's Bay just let the clock tick down. Five seconds left, goes out of bounds. For Te Aroha. At the ball. 34 seconds left in this match. Anderson. Karepa. Doesn't go down, but it's still there for Te Aroha, luckily for them. Nice pass on the inside. Can't quite finish it, but he'll go to the line. off the board, but needs to touch the rim. So it'll be Hawke's Bay, or 16 seconds remaining. And it's looking more and more likely that Hawke's Bay will hold on to win this one. Te hara. Reira ka haere o Hawke's Bay ki te rārangi. Te kau hekona, o waru hekona, e toi ana tēnei kēmu. Amiri o tēnei, o Max Tran tēnei. E tū ana ki te rārangi piro o ngā kuru e rua, o mahu e te kuru, tuatahi, a Tran. As he lines up the second free throw, there's only 8.9 seconds remaining. Misses Te Aroha, 6 seconds now. Have to put it up. It'll be a 2-pointer if it goes in. And that'll do it, Hawke's Bay. Ko rātou ngā toa, waru tekau mā toru, ki te whetū tekau mā iwa. Mā hoki mai tātou. Tātou mā ki tēnei pāpāhotanga. Nā whakata Māori. Ko te whanganui ātara me Waitaha. Mai whenua Waitaha. Mai kiwi. Whanganui ātara. Underneath here, fighting hard, foul. Good. Here comes Canterbury. Three on the way, and it's an air ball. So, kei runga, Canterbury I tēnei wā toru ki te tahi. Marsh passes it on. Kicks it out. Back to Marsh. Spin move, puts it up, doesn't drop. Marsh is still fighting for it. In fact, there's a foul underneath there. So Wellington contending with Canterbury's full court press. Oh, the pass has been intercepted. And on the fast break. Oh, big dunk! Canterbury on the fast break. And that was Marsh. Almost a backcourt violation. Half-court violation, I should say, but Benjamin Marsh again with another dunk in this full court press. Oh, it's hard to counter. Canterbury. Red hot. He kuru 50 toru. Haven't shooting. And an early timeout's been called with Canterbury up 10-1. Whanganuiatara Te Koro, they are really struggling to break free of this full court press by Canterbury, but they do well here. Wellington. And another block, Canterbury. Again, on the fast break. Marsh again. They get another dunk. That's 3 dunks in a row for Benjamin Marsh. Wellington to Jennings. Short ball. Driving, a little floater. Doesn't drop. And rebounded nicely by Canterbury. And another fast break. Too easy. The speed of the game here, especially from Canterbury. Relentless. Out wide. Back to the top. Driving but stripped away. Still there though for Wellington. Luckily, nice passing. Manu Levu. Hustling hard. Canterbury. They've got it. The foul's been called. Jumper is good. Wellington finally get some more points. Canterbury, this time with Cates out wide for the Kuru 50 Toru. Benjamin Habashuti. Jennings. Oh, a little hop in the step. Nicely done by Jennings. Shooty kicks it out. Swanson down low. Reverse layup is good. Wellington in the corner. Nice move there. And off the glass. Manu Levu. Crossover, Kate. Foul. We'll go to the line. Wainganui tēnei wahanga tuatahi. Kaumā iwa ki te whetu kia Waitaha. Tawhiri Kate tēnei. E tuana ki te rārangi piro. Whiwhi te kuru tuatahi. Wellington. Doing a bit better, getting out of their own half now. Driving it from the top of the key. And here's Jennings from way out. Canterbury have it, and away they go again, coast to coast. The foul. Canterbury, yes. Another 2 points. They're looking good, Canterbury. Wellington trying to get into a groove here. Atu Rahman passing it down low. Back there for Manu Levu. Canterbury. Get another stop. To the top, driving. Habashuti. Going baseline. Trying the reverse layup. stopped by Wellington. Nikora. That's missing. Thomas Nikora. Wellington with position here. Nikora. Driving, another jumper. Pops out of the rim. Canterbury again, playing with pace. He kuru whiwhi toru. Another 3 points to Canterbury, and they're starting to pull away with 4 minutes still remaining in this first quarter. Oh dear, it's backcourt violation. So another turnover. And another three, in and out. Good rebound there by Nikora. And here come Wellington. Oh, the layup's missed. Canterbury right there. Frenetic pace to this match. Kuru whiwhi toru, kua mahue. Ngeri ke te ora tonu te poro. Ua huri inaina kia te whanganui atara. And driving to the basket with a foul. And a chance for both sides to just take a breather. Canterbury again. Langrel under the basket, just looking for a way. He kicks it out. A 3-point shot attempt was no good. Another offensive rebound. Popping it out. Look at the ball movement. Moving every couple of seconds. Not giving Wellington a chance to settle. Just timing the jump, but it's still there for Wellington. From top, Kuru whiwhi toru is no good. He's driving to the basket, the turnaround shot, no good. Oh, in and out, but he did not give up. And look at that. He just got those 2 points back. Lewis Dowell. Wellington driving. A foul. Canterbury defence really forcing Wellington to earn their points in the paint. steal. Canterbury still have it here. They do better recover. Driving, nice little bounce pass down low, checking it out to Havenshiki. Smith keeps it alive. Canterbury, the skills on display here have been outstanding. Landgrove drives to the basket and it drops in. Well, it's been full tilt this first quarter. Canterbury have been one of the form teams in the competition. They beat Manawatu on day one, 145 to 56. They then went on to beat Harbour, the B team, 114 to 65. They beat Nelson, 122 to 40. Now they play Wellington. And Wellington drive. Misses. Havenshiki comes away with it. The style of basketball Canterbury are playing has made it very difficult for teams to keep up with. Canterbury, they've scored 381 points in this competition so far and only conceded 161. Wellington are currently sitting in second place in the pool. They haven't lost a match either. Wellington beating Manawatu 100 to 61. That's good for Wellington. They beat Harbour B 103 to 70. They also beat Nelson 102 to 82. This will be the final pool match between these two. One of these sides will remain undefeated coming into knockout basketball over the next couple of days. Wellington, with 40 odd seconds remaining. Whakauana rātou, ki te Pākete, the little floater with the one-hander is good. Toyato Rakman. Kate. Havenshiki on the other side of the court there. Driving to the lane. No good there by Dekora. Canterbury go down the other end, just like that. Down. Tumbles. First free throw is good. The second one is also good. So with only 1 second on the clock, foul has been called. Oh no, just waiting on. Oh, it must have gone out of bounds. Okay, so Canterbury with 1.2 seconds remaining. Oh, it's good on the buzzer. Canterbury will be happy with that. Korere te mutunga o te wāhanga tuatahi. Kei runga a Canterbury A, toru te kau mā whā, ki te kau mā whā. Hoki mai nei kapa I rua ki te kōti nei. Te whanganui ātara me Waitaha. Ke runga a Waitaha I tēnei wā toru tekau mā ono ki te tekau mā whā. A koe nei ka timatai tēnei wāhanga tuarua te kēmu nei. Wellington with first possession. Popper. Short pass back to Popper. Fifi Toru! Good start to the second quarter for Wellington. Canterbury. It's an air ball. Wellington. Here's Popham. Splits the defenders. No, not quite. Turned over. And another dunk down the other end. Nikura passes cross court. Driving. Back to the top. Kuru 50 Toru from way out, no good. Another 3-point shot, that's good. Well, Canterbury are in a rich vein of form right now, and another turnover. And it's a fast break here, and that was almost too easy. Pass, but it's been turned over yet again. Canterbury still have it. Oh, nice turnover by Wellington. And Nikura has been a standout. Little floater has been fouled, so he'll go to the line. Whātekau matoru ki te tekau maiwa. Kate to the corner, another 3-point shot! Well, it's raining threes here. And this time it was Swanson, Leonidas Swanson. Now Popham back out to Yoapo. Offensive rebound, nice spin move, going baseline. Kicks it to Popham. Got a foul. Latu. Passes back to Latu. He tries, good pass. Oh, almost dropping there for Abdul Rahman. Not quite enough on it. There's Canterbury. Inbound. Good Kate. Shoots back up to Kate. Kate drives, gets in the air, nice little circus shot. Tawhiri Kate. Tērā kuru whakau. Tana ingoa. Hapan shuti tērā. Whanganui atara te poro. Ngari kua whanokotia. Oh, he kuru whakau anō. Another dunk for Canterbury. This time it was Marsh. Wellington, long pass. Bit of time here for Pulman. Pops out of the basket. Another three ball coming. Oh, they keep dropping them. Canterbury. It's now hailing threes. Rima te kaumā toru ki te kaumā iwa. He paku wā whakatāi nei nei. Hoki mai ngā kape e rua. Runga Waitaha, runga te kaumā toru. Te kaumā iwa. Whanganui atara te poro. They drive. Kick it out. Whistle's been blown. It's out of bounds. Good little offensive rebound and that drops for Wellington. It's been Collier who's on the score sheet. Kuru whiwhi toru. Tērā Elliott, McKinley. Yet another three-pointer. Travel. Canterbury. Fun with Langrel to the corner. Pops it out for McKilly. Wellington ball. Got it back to Fergus Henderson. Down low. Driving to the basket. Too much on that one. Carlos Papakura. Fast break by Canterbury. Sebastian Thompson. Canterbury defense is very strong. Hard to crack. Canterbury turnover. Pops it out. 3 ball by Langrel. No good. But still there for Canterbury. McKilly. Back to McKilly. A long pass. The spot. 50 toru. Kyle. Wellington. Get the rebound. There for Collier. Foul. 3 minutes here to Yana i tēnei wahanga tuarua. Passing to Loma, who was cutting into the paint. Another foul. So Wellington will retain position here. Again, slows down a bit. Nice bounce pass. Loma rolls in. They'll get a lot of confidence out of that. Carlos Loma going to the line now. Possible 3-point play. That's good. 58-25. McKilly now. He goes for the jumper. It's beautiful. Elliot McKilly, sharpshooters in the Canterbury team. Loma drives to the basket. Oh, good rebound. Yes. Good shot there in the paint for Wellington. Turned over this time by Wellington. Coast to coast. Fergus Henderson. In fact, it was Thomas Lukura. up. Offensive rebound, Canterbury. But bounce being called. Rua minute e toi ana I tēnei wahanga tuarua. That's good. Tuffety Kate comes back on for Canterbury. Wellington. Back position. Tia. Nice little pass, bounce pass there into traffic. It's gone out of bounds. Bell, pass inside, kicking it back out to Kate. Kuru Whiwhi Toru! This time for Tuffety Kate. Nice little crossover move. Still there. Anderson is probing. Passes it to Tia. Tia with the shot. No good. Canterbury are off. And it's Kate passing it to Musaman. Kate on the other side now. Kicking it out to Dowell for three. Dowell with a 3-point shot. Canterbury extend the lead 67-29. And a foul. Go to the line for two. Anderson. Timeout's been called. Canterbury, Mono Takoma Fitu, Takoma Iwa. Papakura, vai ter lá para tentar. Tēnei, tuana ki te rārangi, tēnei kuru erua. Sai iho, kura, reira ke runga tonu, Canterbury, tō tukau mā whitu, tō tukau mā tahi. Oh, another. Pointer. Constantly drilling the threes, Canterbury. Another turnover. Wellington get it back. Ki rā te mutunga o te wāhanga tuarua kei runga. Canterbury whitu te kau. Ki te tuku mata. Matu te wā whakatā. Ko hoki mai nei kapa i rua ki te kōti nei. O tēnei wāhanga tuatoru o te kēmu. I tēnei wā tonu. Ko wai taha kei mua. Whitu te kau ki te toru te kau mātahi. Whanganui Atara, tēnei, e maua nei te poro. Driving to the basket, into the paint. Doesn't quite connect with the basket. As Canterbury go long, and it's another successful three-pointer. Benjamin Marsh nailing that one. Henderson. Papakura. Back out to Papakura. Who's got it? Canterbury. Take possession. Out there for Saman. No good. Wellington. It's there now for Tia. Down low for Vakaloloma. Kicks it back out. 4 seconds left. They've got to get a shot up. Henderson run out of time. The shot clock violation. Defence. The red wall of Canterbury. Too hard to crack. Canterbury now. Spin move. Just like that, too easy. Henderson down low to Vakaloroma. Driving, using his body. Nicely done, getting under the basket. But in the end, the defence was too good. Turned over. Vakaloroma has it. Oh, but Canterbury get it back. Now it's a 2-on-1 situation. Whititera, Kuru, Whakau. Haven't shooty that time. Collier, short pass. Back to Collier, driving, kicking it out. Henderson, Kuru Whititoru, Carl. Haven't shooty. Long pass, spin ball, the corner three on the way. No, and a good rebound. Foul there. So Wellington will retain position. And we've got fresh faces on the court coming on. Rhodes, Caden Uapo, Darius Latu coming on for Wellington. Nice little pass baseline, it's a good jumper. Canterbury quick to restart. Robin Shuti, nicely done, Kuru Whakau. Whanganui Atara, Uapo. Peti te kaumā iwa, te puru te kaumā toru. Te poro, te rata taha. Canterbury ball now. Marsh, a long range through. Good rebound there by Will Rhodes. He comes for free in response. So he ended up being a good pass to Uapo. Rhodes again. Rhodes lays the screen and rolls. Rhodes has it back down there, kicks it out. 3-point attempt is no good. Shooty, Marsh, down low now, driving, For support up to Habanshuti. That looks good. E kuru whiwhi toru. More Habanshuti. Goes out of bounds. Just a breakdown in communication. Canterbury, that possession. Habanshuti wide open. He's got another one, second in a row for Habanshuti. Three-pointer on the way, no good. Canterbury kicks it out. Another three-pointer on the way. Yep, it is absolutely storming down with three-pointers. We're wearing a red singlet. Canterbury 88, Wellington 33. Foul down there as Collier is driving to the basket. He'll go to the line for 2 free throws. There for Wellington still. They get possession back. Now they drive. Uapo kicks it out. The jumper doesn't land. Canterbury have it. Habanshuti with McKelly. Oh, Habanshuti again. Draining threes from everywhere. Nice pass down low. Foul has been called. Morena Kahari to get up. Just comes out of his hands and Canterbury come up with it. And now for Kate. Kicks it out. Nothing in there. Kate gets it back. No one in front of him. Too easy for Kate. Kuru whiwhi toru anō. Uapo will have a go. Kuru whiwhi toru on the board. Uapo. Three-point land. Canterbury straight back. Side has been second to none. Still another quarter remaining and Canterbury could get 100 before the start of the first quarter. Wellington in the corner. No good. Taha. Foul. So they'll go to the line. It's Caden Uapo. Gets the first free throw. Another three-point attempt. Still there for Canterbury, but a foul's been called. 2.5 minutes left in this third quarter. Canterbury. To the other side now. Kuru whiwhi toru, ko Pitaki Waho. Te reina tonu te poro, kei runga ake rā. Te kuru whiwhi toru anō, ngā riko mahue. Minute e toi ana I tēnei wahanga tuatoru. Canterbury with a minute and a half or so left in this one. Give it out to Dowell. It's another three-pointer. Racking them up. They're well and truly in the hundreds now. Canterbury. The Bahiro Mawha. Te Whātiko Mawha. Poppin drains it from way out. Canterbury with Kate. Little fake. Back to the top. Canterbury. Nice little floater. Good defence by Wellington. The fast break is on. And that's been intercepted. Kate. Canterbury. Coached on in. Still there for them. No one in front of them at all. Wellington, lucky they get it back. 40 seconds, 30 odd seconds left on the clock for the third quarter. The foul has been called. Canterbury. In the paint there. They kick it out. And the long range free is good. 2 seconds left, and kua mutu ai tēnei wāhanga tuatoru. Te runga rawa, ngā waitaha, te tahirau ngā whā, ki te whātuka rāwhaka. Nē mai hoki mai tātou mā. E whakahono mai ki tēnei pāpahotanga a whakaata Māori. Tēnei kēmu ki Waenganui a Waitaha me te Whanganui Atara. Apu whakapaha mō ngā raru. Ngari ko hoki mai mātou. And that's a three-pointer. O Kuru Whititoru mō Waitaha. Apologies for the technical difficulties we had in the first half of this fourth quarter. Seems to have fixed itself. But it's Canterbury with a very big lead, 124-60 over Wellington. This final pool match for both sides. Both sides were undefeated throughout pool play. And it'll be Canterbury who will remain undefeated and will probably be the team to beat coming into the knockout rounds over the next couple of days. Oh, that's a long range three, Habashuti. Steph Curry like. Hit back. Habashuti again. Floater just rolls out. The game has certainly slowed down since the first couple of quarters. Henderson goes straight to the Canterbury player. Still there for Canterbury. Nice jumper there. And it's been turned over. Canterbury, fast break, 2-on-2. Oh, that's nicely done by Marsh. He's been a standout. And last year's defending champions, Canterbury, in the under-18s, they are looking like heavy favourites to go back-to-back. And of course, at last year's Nationals, it was Hutt Valley finishing second, followed by Waitakere West A, Waikato, Auckland, Harbour 8, Taranaki, Wellington finished 8th. And on the women's side, Tauranga are the defending champions, followed by Canterbury 8. So both boys and girls Canterbury sides, the men and the women, teams to watch at the 2026 Nationals. And here's Wellington on the counter. It's Rhodes. Out to Henderson for three, gets it. Toru Miniti, e Toiana, tēnei kēmu. Picks it out. It's Marsh. He'll have a go from up top. Yep. Drills it. Rhodes. Foul's been caught. Canterbury, e kuru whakaru tērā. Tahiro, going to tekau mā ono, ki te ono tekau mā ono. Whanganui ātara tēnei, o Apo. Whakaloloma. Nekora tēnei. Kuru whakaru, beautifully done. I think it's Abdul Rahman. The silky smooth moves. Nice jumper, goodness me. I just cannot miss. Miss a man. Fix it out. Ended up being a good pass, but it just fell out of the hands of Pakaloloma. Manu Levu. Kuru whakau anō, land drill this time. They are well drilled this side, Canterbury. Back to Abdul Rahman, down low. Manu Levu driving, getting close to the basket. Can't finish. Kuru whaka, it's a Kuru whiwhitoru, Carl, for Mahue Tēra. Rhodes puts it up. Nice little jumper there. All Rhodes. Tahi minute here, Toyana. Inside. Low, picking it out to Dowell. Saman. Oh, nice fake. Got him up on off his feet. Couldn't finish that one. Rua tekau mā whetū, hea kona e Toiana tēnei kēmu. Ko tahirau, whātekau mā tahi. Ki te whetū tekau. Final say will go to Canterbury, and of course they make that last 3-point shot. Of course they do. Remaining. He'll have a little layup. Oh, and he misses it. So that'll do. Ko Muti Te Kēmu, ko Canterbury ngā toa, tēnā katoa. Ko Muti wai tēnei, tā pāhotanga whakata Māori. Ko te rangi tuarua o tēnei whakataitai, ko hoki mai a pōpō, mā tūmaki.
an opportunity that we can't pass on.
Stefano, look who's in the house.
From the park to the city, stories told our way. Quick scroll, one tap. Ka mau, kua uru mai koe.
Hey, atana koe.
Tō mātou reo.
Kia au te MāORI, kia au.
Tō mātou puku hohe.
So what up, ekpana emojis there,
Tō
matua.
mātou tirohanga. Stream it, cast it, carry it with you. Download MāORI Plus on your devices.
Pai out here.
Ko tahi atu. Nei haro. Hey! Tahi, rua, toru. Koina ke te tāhi.
E whakapono ana hau, maangi hei tohu te ao.
Nei haro. Ka rawe. Ki te mahi tahi mātai, ka tēnā. Te tika, pakātu mai tōtanga. Mahi tika ana.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whai take aku whia ko Pauri hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mā tō raurau ki MāORI Plus.